5 absolute banging tunes in Gaelic you need on your playlist right now, April edition. Nach Bheil by Limonead. The Ghost by Valtos and Beluga Lagoon. If Cool Live na Càit by Isla Scott. If you want to find all of these and more in one playlist, Scottish Gaelic Bangers on Spotify. Càit by Mal. Limonead Down by Calum Alex Macmillan. The fit for this video has been Bill Murray. Not the actor, the band who are playing 2 nights at the Barrowlands in June. I will see you there.